Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can connect to Wi-Fi on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. So the first thing that we need to do is go to settings. Now in the settings we want to go to connections, and finally over here we have Wi-Fi. In order to make sure that we can connect to Wi-Fi, we need to turn it on, so tap on this slider and make sure that it is enabled. Then we need to tap on Wi-Fi in order to find all networks. Now we need to choose our network to which we want to connect to, and then we can enter the password over here. Once you enter the password, then you can press the connect button. And in addition to that, if you for instance have the QR code for Wi-Fi, you can also press this icon over here, which enables the camera and allows you to scan the QR code that helps you connect with the Wi-Fi connection. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.